In this module, we are going to discuss about the types of nucleides. A nucleide is a species of an atom with a specific number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. There are 271 stable nuclei in nature. Others are radioactive. A radioactive nuclide is an atom that has excess nuclear energy, hence it is unstable. All isotopes of elements with greater than or equal to 84 protons are radioactive. Specific isotopes of lighter elements are also radioactive. For example, tritium is the radioactive isotope of hydrogen which has a mass number 3 and atomic number 1. Nuclide can be characterized by the number of protons, number of neutrons and the energy state of the nucleus. Both protons and neutrons are called nucleons. Thus, the nuclide are composite particles of nucleons. Nucleons are elementary particles and they are called quarks. Therefore, nuclide can be considered composite particles of quarks. Let A represent mass number, that is the number of nucleons in a nuclide. Z represent atomic number. The notation for a nuclide with mass number A and atomic number Z is represented by a symbol of its element X as XAZ. Bottom left we write the atomic number and upper left we write the mass number. For example, the notation for the nucleide of carbon element is C612. Atomic number 6 is written in bottom left. Mass number 12 is written upper left of the symbol C. According to atomic number, mass number and the energy state of the nuclide, we can classify the nuclide into different categories: isotopes, isobars, isotones, isomers, mirror nuclei and isodiaphers. Isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number due to the presence of same number of protons but different mass number due to the presence of different number of neutrons. Carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14 are isotopes of carbon. All three isotopes of carbon having same atomic number 6 due to the presence of 6 protons in the nucleus, but they differ in mass number. For carbon 12, mass number 12. Mass number minus atomic number gives number of neutrons. So, subtracting atomic number 6 from mass number 12, we obtain 6. Therefore, 6 neutrons are present in the nucleus of carbon 12 atom. Carbon 13. Mass number is 13. Atomic number is 6. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. That is 13 minus 6 gives 7. So there are 7 neutrons are present in the nucleus of carbon 13 atom. For carbon 14, mass number 14, atomic number 6. Number of neutron 8. Carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14 are having same atomic number but different mass number due to the presence of different number of neutrons such as 6, 7 and 8. Hence, carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14 are isotopes of carbon. Now we see some other example. There are 3 isotopes for hydrogen: protium, deuterium and tritium. All 3 isotopes of hydrogen having same atomic number 1. due to the presence of one proton in their nucleus. But the mass number is different. Mass number are 1, 2 and 3 due to the presence of different number of neutrons in the nucleus. Protium has no neutrons in the nucleus. Deuterium has one neutron in the nucleus. Tritium has two neutrons in the nucleus. Since protium, deuterium and tritium having same atomic number but different mass number, they are called isotopes. Similarly, three isotopes of oxygen, oxygen 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 18 are having same atomic number 8 due to the presence of 8 protons in their nucleus. But their mass number are different. Mass number are 16, 17 and 18 due to the presence of different number of neutrons such as 8, 9 and 10. Hence, oxygen 16, 8, oxygen 17, 8 and oxygen 18, 8 are isotopes of oxygen. Isotopes have same chemical properties, but they have different physical and radioactive properties. Isobars. Isobars are the atoms of the different elements that have the different atomic number due to the presence of different number of protons but have same mass number due to the same value of sum of protons and neutrons. See one of the isobar pair, calcium 46 and titanium 46. Their mass number are same 46 but their atomic number are different. Atomic number of calcium is 20 and atomic number of titanium is 22. So, calcium and titanium are isobars. See other example. Isobaric triad, argon, potassium, calcium. Atomic number of argon is 18, atomic number of potassium is 19, atomic number of calcium is 20, but their mass number are same, it is 40. Another isobaric triad, tin, tellurium and xenon. They have the same mass number 124, but they differ in atomic number. The atomic number of tin is 50, atomic number of tellurium is 52, atomic number of xenon is 54. They have same mass number but different atomic number, so they are isobars. Isobars have different physical and chemical properties and also they have different radioactive properties. Isotones. Isotones are the atoms of different elements that have the different atomic number due to the presence of different number of protons and different mass number, but they have same number of neutrons in the nucleus. See the isotonic pair. Atomic number of arsenic is 33. Atomic number of selenium is 34. Mass number of arsenic is 77. Mass number of selenium is 78. The atomic number of arsenic and selenium is different. Mass number of arsenic and selenium is also different. But both have same number of neutrons in the nucleus. Both having 44 neutrons in their nucleus. So, they are isotones. See the other example. Silicon, phosphorus and sulfur are isotones. Atomic number of silicon is 14. Mass number is 30. For phosphorus, atomic number 15, mass number 31. And for sulfur, atomic number 16 and mass number 32. Atomic number and mass number of silicon, phosphorus and sulfur are different, but all having same number of neutrons. Number of neutrons present in the nucleus of silicon, phosphorus and sulfur is 16. Hence, silicon, phosphorus and sulfur are isotones. Another example. Radium and actinium are isotonic pair. Atomic number of radium is 88 and its mass number is 226. Atomic number of actinium is 89 and its mass number is 227. Both radium and actinium are having different atomic number and different mass number, but they have same number of neutrons. Both have 138 neutrons in their nucleus. So, radium and actinium are isotones. A nuclear isomer is a metastable state of an atomic nucleus caused by the excitation of one or more of its protons or neutrons. The higher or more excited state is called a metastable state, while the stable unexcited state is called the ground state. In an excited state, one or more of the protons or neutrons in a nucleus occupy a nuclear orbital of higher energy than an available nuclear orbital. The half-life of metastable state is longer than 100 to 1000 times that of normal excited state. The half-life of excited state is usually of the order of 10 to the power minus 13 seconds, while metastable state has a half-life of the order 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. Some sources define a metastable state as having a half-life greater than 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 seconds to avoid confusion with the half-life of gamma emission. While most metastable states decay quickly, some last for minutes, hours, years or much longer. The reason metastable states form is because a larger nuclear spin change is needed in order for them to return to the ground state. High spin change makes the decays forbidden transition and delays them. Decay half-life is also affected by how much decay energy is available. Most nuclear isomers return to the ground state via gamma decay. Sometimes gamma decay from a metastable state is named isomeric transition, but it is essentially the same as normal short-lived gamma decay. Another way metastable isomers can decay is by internal conversion. The longest lived metastable state is that of tantalum 180M73. This metastable state of tantalum has not been seen to decay and appears to last at least 10 to the power 15 years. A nucleus in its ground state and the identical nucleus is in the metastable excited state. For example, cobalt 5827 is in the ground state. Cobalt 58M27 is in the metastable excited state. Similarly, hafnium 17872 is in the ground state. Hafnium 178M272 is in the metastable excited state. The first metastable state is indicated by the letter lowercase m. If a specific isotope has multiple metastable states, the isomers are designated as M1, M2, M3, etc. The designation is listed after the mass number. Otto Hahn discovered the first nuclear isomer in 1921. This was protactinium 234M, which decays in protactinium 234. Metastable nuclear isomers occur via nuclear reactions and can be produced using nuclear fusion. They occur both naturally and artificially. Nuclear isomer have the same atomic number, they are isotopes. Also, since they have the same mass number, they are isobars. So they are also called as isobaric isotopes. See the example of nuclear isomerism. Zinc 6830 reacts with deuterium to produce zinc 6930. This zinc 6930 emits gamma ray and produce another zinc 6930. This newly formed zinc 6930 emits beta ray and produce gallium 6931. Both the zinc are having same atomic number and mass number. One emit gamma ray and another one emitting beta ray. Radioactive power is different. One is in gamma region and another one is beta region. They are nucleoisomers. Mirror nuclei. The isobar pairs in which the number of protons of first nuclide is equal to the number of neutrons of the second nuclide and vice versa. Such pair is known as mirror nuclei. Another way we can define mirror nuclei are the pairs of isobars in which the number of protons and neutrons differ by 1 and are interchanged. Nitrogen 15-7 and oxygen 15-8 are mirror nuclides. Nitrogen 15-7, number of proton is 7 and number of neutron is 8. Oxygen 15-8, number of proton 8 and number of neutrons 7. Here, number of protons of nitrogen 15 nuclide is equal to number of neutrons of oxygen 15 nuclide. The number of protons of oxygen 15 nuclide is equal to number of neutrons of nitrogen 15 nuclide. Hence, nitrogen 15-7 and oxygen 15-8 are mirror nuclei. See another example. Sodium 2311 and magnesium 2312 are mirror nuclei. Sodium 2311, number of proton 11, number of neutron 12. Magnesium 2312, number of proton 12 and number of neutron 11. The number of protons of sodium 23 nuclide is equal to number of neutrons of magnesium 23 nuclide. Number of protons of magnesium 23 nuclide is equal to number of neutrons of sodium 23 nuclide. So, sodium 23 and magnesium 23 are mirror nuclide. Isodiaphers. Nuclide having the same excess of neutrons over protons are called isodiaphers. Another way we can define isodiaphers. The atoms of different elements having the same number of isotopic number are called isodiaphers. Isotopic number means A minus 2Z. N minus P is equal to A minus 2Z. How N minus P is equal to A minus 2Z? We know number of neutrons is equal to mass number A minus atomic number Z. Now we substitute A minus Z for number of neutrons N in the equation 1. We get N minus P is equal to A minus Z minus P. Here P is number of protons. We know that atomic number is equal to number of protons. Therefore, we can substitute atomic number Z for P. Now we have n minus P is equal to A minus Z minus Z. Finally, we have n minus P is equal to A minus 2Z. Hence, we can also define isodiaphers or the atoms of different elements having same difference of neutrons and protons. Chlorine 3717 and argon 3918 are isodiaphers. Let us find isotopic number, that is A minus 2Z value for chlorine 3717. For chlorine 3717, mass number 37 and atomic number is 17. Now we substitute mass number value and atomic number value in the expression A minus 2Z. A minus 2Z is equal to 37 minus 2 into 17. 2 into 17 is 34. So we have 37 minus 34. 37 minus 34 is equal to 3. Now we find A minus 2Z value for argon 3918. For argon, mass number is 39, atomic number 18. Now we substitute mass number and atomic number in the expression A minus 2Z. A minus 2Z is equal to 39 minus 2 into 18. This gives 39 minus 36. 39 minus 36 is equal to 3. For both chlorine 3717 and argon 3918 having the same isotopic number 3. Hence they are isodiaphers.